Hello, my dear students. I hope all are studied well in your home. Today we will start to study about the multiple alleles. Most genes occur in two alternative forms, both influencing the same trait and occupying the same locus in homologous chromosome. Such different forms of same genes are referred to as allele. Some genes, however, may occur in more than two allelic forms, and these allelic forms are collectively known as multiple alleles. In a trait with multiple alleles, each individual can carry any two of the several possible alleles. Example, blood type. The genotype for blood type has three possible alleles: IA, IB, and A. Example, the blood type. There are three allelic forms of blood type: IA, IB, and I. A set of multiple alleles may contain 3 or 4 or even up to 20 or more members, which essentially occupy the same locus in the homologous chromosomes. Here the example, the ABO blood types. This blood groups that was discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 19,000, that the blood in persons is not alike and hence clumping or agglutination occurs on mixing blood of certain persons. He grouped blood under 4 categories on the basis of the type of proteinaceous substances known as agglutinogen or antigen found on the surface of the red blood corpuscles. Agglutinogens or antigens are of two types, A type and B type. When A-type antigen is present, the blood group is said to be A. When B-type is present, it is called B. When both of the antigens are present, it is known as AB. And when neither is present, it is said to be O. Their different alleles IA, IB, and I of gene determine the phenotypes of the 4 blood group. IA allele determines the formation of antigen A and IB allele of the antigen B. The blood types, an example of the trait that has multiple allele, the allele A, B, and O blood groups. The Mendel studied traits in P that were controlled by just 2 alleles. Many traits are controlled by more than 2 alleles. So that is the multiple allelism. The multiple allelism in blood group. The human blood group has reported by Dr. Karl Landsteiner in 19,000, who was known as the father of blood groups, and presence of 2 types of proteins in human blood: antigen or agglutinogen and glycoprotein present on the surface of RBCs are called as the corpuscles factor, the antibody or agglutinin. What is multiple allelism? More than 2 alternating allelic forms of genes occupy the same loci in a pair of homologous chromosomes in the population are called multiple alleles. Determinations of the trait by more than 2 alleles is called multiple allelism. All the variants or alleles of the gene may be originated by mutation of a single wild type genes. Then the blood group ABO in human, that is an example of multiple allelism. Classical and most common example of multiple allele is ABO blood group of human beings. Gene coding blood group has 3 alleles rather than 2. For the ABO gene, the 3 alleles are IA, IB, I alleles. We typically call these alleles A, B, and O. Letter I stands for immunoglobulin. Features of multiple alleles. Multiple alleles always occupy the same locus on the chromosomes. Multiple alleles always influence the same character. No crossing over among the members allele of to the same multiple allelic series. Examples of multiple alleles: blood group ABO, blood group in human, coat color in mice, coat color in rabbit, eye color in Drosophila. Blood group of ABO in human is the classical example. And then the multiple allele that is also seen in this video. You please watch this video and you understand
With
more
Byju's
about
app,
the
children remember their
multiple
concepts
alleles.
forever.
Genes can be quite long, with a large number of nucleotides, and the proteins they encode can be long, with a large number of amino acids. Mutations which change certain nucleotides or certain amino acids in the protein can therefore be different from other mutations at different spots of the gene which affect different areas of the protein. Sometimes different mutant alleles can cause different mutant phenotypes. So, for example, with the Drosophila gene white, the original mutations isolated caused the normal brick red eyes to be a bright white in color. However, different mutations at different points of the gene can cause, instead of a white color, an apricot color. And there is an allele of the white gene known as white apricot. Another mutation in this white gene is named white buff. Another, white blood. Another, white coffee. Another, white eosin. Another, white mottled orange. Another, white satsuma. Another, white tinged. So mutations in different position of the gene can affect different areas of the protein and can result in different mutant phenotypes. So therefore, there can be a number of alleles. There can be multiple alleles for a specific gene. This is something which Mendel did not observe.
Okay, I hope all are understand about the multiple allelism. Thank you.